quick fucking tutorial here. Show you guys how to use your Twitch panels. It's real fucking easy. Click on your profile, go to channel. Right here I have a couple I already uploaded. This is the fucking Blue Steel series. So what you go to is edit panels. Click this plus box. Add text or image. Find wherever the fuck you put these files. Then you just start uploading. As long as you sized it right. As long as you, fuck's sakes, fucking A. If the images are in the right size, you'll have this box around it. You shouldn't have to touch it. But mine are in the right size, you just hit done. Make sure you hit the submit button. If you have empty boxes on here, you'll get that little size gap. So make sure you clear out your empty boxes. So why don't we go pop over to the Dank Tutorials YouTube channel here, read some comments on one of the older videos. How does this video have so many dislikes? Told me exactly what I wanted to learn. Quickly without 20 minutes of intros and bullshit for watch time. No ads. He was even nice enough to censor the curses. Well, thank you, sir. That's kind of the idea. Because he's a white male Trump supporter. I don't support Trump. Yeah, I'm gonna take that away. Get out of here. Sit yourself down, man. Yeah, you're right. It is pretty strange. This genuinely saved me some time. Definitely onto something with this format. I appreciate that. Fucking finally, just a single click. Nobody else explained it that good. Thanks. People really like the quick to the point tutorials, it appears. Oh man, that's pretty funny. I'm sure 8-year-olds will find this funny. I'm sure they would. Worst tutorial style ever, but still got the point across, I guess. Yeah, fair enough. Thanks. Yeah, you're welcome, sir. You're welcome. It's not too hard to learn anything. Thank you very much. Motherfucker. Tutorial was indeed dank. Or I don't know. I just did it. Did it. Grow up. I'm trying. I'm working on it. What is this? Grow up. Don't. Grow down. You mean get weirder with it, you're saying? Man, I don't know if I can get much weirder than it already is. Freaking weird and disgusting video, but I learned what I needed in only 40 seconds. Thanks, hero. Hear that? Hero!